Okay, welcome again. My name is Kim Swan. This is logo design consideration. The table of the contents: versatile, consistent, memorable, timeless, meaning, summary, simplicity, and uniqueness. Those are the considerable points a designer must consider when he or she is designing something. Let's start. The uniqueness. Your design must be unique. The original design concept that stands out and avoid imitation helps to prevent copyright issues and ensure the brand remains distinctive. Second one, it is appropriate. Fit the intended audience and industry. Consider the context. What works for the toy shop may not work for the law firm. Align design style with the brand tone and the customer expectations. Timeless. Avoid trends standing the test of the time. Think long time. How will this look in 10 years to come? The next one is versatile. A good logo should be usable in a variety of the size and colors. Should maintain integrity from smaller items, example pens, to the large items, example planes. And also, a good illustration or design should be memorable, easy to recognize and recall, simple distinctive design that leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, drop it in your comments. Thank you. Subscribe.